U.S. stocks continued to rise this week, and market sentiment remained strong. But behind lofty valuations, the AI frenzy, sticky inflation, and uncertainty over Federal Reserve policy lies a question worth considering. If Charlie Munger were looking at today's market, would he chase even higher returns?
My guess is no. One of Munger's most important investing principles was to first build his own do-not-do list, use the power of simple observation and analysis to examine the other side of popular narratives, yet never chase them, never compare his returns with others, and never take risks he could not understand merely for the prospect of higher returns.
Hollywood legend Greta Garbo left the film industry at 36, already financially independent. By then, she had accumulated enough wealth to support a lifetime of freedom. But rather than embrace a celebrity-style life of extravagance, she invested in stocks, bonds, and real estate, stayed away from the spotlight, and lived quietly and modestly, only slightly above an ordinary standard of living.
Munger was even more so. He never sought to become the investor with the highest returns. As long as he could achieve financial freedom, he stuck to methods he had personally tested rather than envying other successful investors. He lived with discipline. Although he owned a private jet, he would still choose to fly economy on commercial airlines. Munger once said, "Invert, always invert." True financial freedom is not about owning the most, it is about no longer needing to measure yourself against others. One final thought: success requires self-discipline.